Hello, this is J&M Reviews, and today I am glad to review this bed decor mattress protector. Mine is for a twin size bed, and it's color white, and I like it because it keeps my mattress dry. I'm training a toddler to use the bathroom. This is how it looks. So it's very comfortable. It doesn't make really sounds, so it's 100% waterproof, and it's also washable in case there is an accident with my toddler. I also like it because it can even go on a sofa. If I have to take him to a different part of the house, I can always take the protector with me, and it's great. It works great. They have it for different sizes, and it's leak proof. It doesn't itch. It just goes under the bed sheets. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching.